Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of Bitcoin and showing you how to invest in this revolutionary cryptocurrency. If you've heard about Bitcoin but aren't sure where to start, you're in the right place. Let's get started. 1. What is Bitcoin? First, let's talk briefly about what Bitcoin is. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency, meaning it isn't controlled by any central bank or government. It was created in 2009 by an anonymous entity known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin transactions are verified through a process called mining, and they are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain. Bitcoin has gained popularity due to its potential for high returns and as a hedge against inflation. Now, let's look at how you can start investing in Bitcoin. 2. Choose a Bitcoin wallet. The first step to investing in Bitcoin is choosing a reliable Bitcoin wallet. This is where you will store your Bitcoin. There are several types of wallets. Hot wallets, these are online wallets that are easy to use but may be less secure. Cold wallets, these are offline wallets, like hardware wallets, that offer extra security. For beginners, we recommend starting with a reputable hot wallet like Coinbase or Binance, which are user-friendly and have strong security features. 3. Selecting a Bitcoin exchange. Next, you need to choose a Bitcoin exchange to buy your Bitcoin. Popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. These platforms allow you to buy Bitcoin using traditional currencies like USD or Euro. When selecting an exchange, consider factors such as fees, ease of use, and security features. Be sure to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for extra protection. 4. Setting your investment budget. One of the most important steps in investing in Bitcoin is deciding how much money you want to invest. It's crucial to only invest what you can afford to lose, as the cryptocurrency market can be very volatile. We recommend starting small, especially if you're a beginner. You don't need to buy a whole Bitcoin. Most exchanges allow you to purchase a fraction of a Bitcoin, so you can start with as little as $10 or $20. 5. Making your first Bitcoin purchase. Now that you've chosen your wallet and exchange, it's time to make your first purchase. Simply go to the Buy section on your chosen exchange, select Bitcoin, BTC, enter the amount you want to buy, and complete the transaction. Keep an eye on the transaction fees. Some exchanges have lower fees for larger purchases, so plan accordingly. 6. Holding versus trading Bitcoin. After purchasing Bitcoin, you have two main options, HODL, hold on for dear life, or trade. If you're in it for the long term, holding Bitcoin could be a great strategy, as many investors believe its value will continue to rise. If you prefer active trading, consider learning more about technical analysis and market trends. However, this can be risky and requires more experience. 7. Understanding the risks. Investing in Bitcoin comes with risks. The market is highly volatile, and prices can fluctuate drastically within a short period. Make sure to diversify your investments and don't put all your money into Bitcoin. Also, be aware of potential scams and fraud in the crypto space. Always use reputable exchanges and wallets. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!